how to share a website link. First, open Google Chrome and go to the website link you want to share. Make sure the entire web address URL is selected in the address bar. Next, right-click on the highlighted address. A small menu will appear. Select Copy. You can also use a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+C on Windows. The link is now copied to your clipboard and ready to be shared. To send the link, open your email or messaging application. In this example, we'll use WhatsApp. Open the chat of the contact you want to send the link to. Right-click inside the message box where you type your message, then select Paste from the menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows to paste the link. The link will now appear in the message box and is ready to be sent. Once your contact receives the message, they can simply click the link to be automatically taken to the web page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.